As an extension to 4.3 graph using the slope-intercept form, I'd like you to see this reversal scenario where instead of giving you a point, which is the y-intercept specifically, and a slope to graph, or give you a y-intercept format to graph, I give you a graph instead and ask you to give me the equation, which is in the slope-intercept form. So pretend that I have this for you, a line. I also identify two specific points here. Let's have this point be 0, 2, and this is 5, 7. Okay, and I want you to give me back an equation of this line written in the slope-intercept format. Let's just kind of quickly review again what is the slope-intercept format. Slope-intercept format is written in the form of y equals to m times x plus b, and we know that m stands for the slope, so we definitely need to have a slope. We definitely need to have our y-intercept. If you look at this line right here, don't we already have the y-intercepts? It is where the line crossing over the y-axis, right? So we do have b already given as 2. So we have one variable already defined. All we need to find is m, which is the slope. I show you how to find a slope as well. If we have 2 points, we can certainly find a slope using the vertical setup, the subtraction that I showed you before. So let's do that right now. Let's find a slope. So 5, 7, subtract 0, 2. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So that means it's rise over run. Therefore, my slope is 5 over 5, or positive 1 as my slope. I got my slope. I got my y-intercept. I can put this back as y equals 2. The slope is 1, so 1 times x, plus, in this case, the y-intercept is 2. This is what we call the slope-intercept format of this line. Okay, so it doesn't matter how I give it to you. I can give you a line, or I can just give you a slope and a y-intercept straight on, so that you can just start writing it as a slope-intercept form. So for instance, here's another one. If I say, okay guys, here's my y-intercept of 0, -5, and my slope, which is m, given as -3/4. I want you to write this using this given information into a slope-intercept form. Once again, slope-intercept form is y equals to the slope times x plus the y-intercept. So according to what's already given, we know that the y-intercept is -5. We can quickly substitute that into b. We know what m is, -3/4. So therefore, I can write this equation as -3/4 times x. This is plus b, but then since b is a negative, that will become a negative, right? So to complete that, it's going to be y equals to -3/4 x minus 5. This is what we call, again, a slope-intercept format. There are other variations. Please try that and finish your 5 problem before you come back to class.